Well folks, here we go today. It's about 35 degrees. Wind's picking up a little bit, 30 mile an hour, not quite. It's under that yet, gusts, but we're going to do about a 2-month-old cold start on the 1120 Kubota RTV. Got my 55-gallon tank in back. A few other oddballs. Fire this thing up, see if it's going to run. It should. Glow plugs is all. So it's either going to have a dead battery. So far so good. Glow plug it. The glow plug light may not shut off. Like I said, it's been over a month easily. Went through some 40-50 below temps. So we'll see. 70 hours on it. Be a year old in the end of March. Piece of cake. That started good. Much better than I expected. Next question is, will it get out of the snowdrift? Like that. It's the best I can do right now. Wanted to give a quick shout out to all my new subscribers and say thanks, and hopefully I'll be working on some more content here. Tractor pulling season's a ways off yet, so we're still putting schedules together for that and whatnot, and I'm gonna go look at some new trucks here one of these days. There should be a couple of videos on that, hopefully. They're medium duty trucks, Internationals and Chevys. Yes, I said Chevys. So you guys want to know anything, let me know. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.